Let's banish that viewfinder dust and bring your Nikon D5600's view into perfect clarity. First, gather your essential tools: a photographic air blower, a soft bristled lens brush, and a clean, lint-free microfiber cloth. Avoid using your breath or canned air, as moisture and harsh propellants can cause damage. Begin by holding your Nikon D5600 with the viewfinder facing downwards. This allows gravity to assist in dislodging loose dust particles when you use the air blower. Now, take your photographic air blower and give a firm puff of air directly into the viewfinder eyepiece and the surrounding area. Move the blower around to dislodge any accumulated dust or debris. If any stubborn dust remains, gently use your soft bristled lens brush from the center of the viewfinder outwards in a delicate sweeping motion. Be very careful not to press too hard. For any smudges or fingerprints, take your clean, dry microfiber cloths. Gently wipe the viewfinder surface in a circular motion, starting from the center and working your way out. Use a fresh section of the cloth if needed. And there you have it. A sparkling clean viewfinder ready for your next shot. A clear viewfinder not only improves your shooting experience, but also ensures accurate framing and focus. Regularly performing this simple cleaning will help maintain your Nikon D5600 and ensure you always have the best possible view.